A cash-out refinance allows you to replace your existing mortgage with a completely new loan that is larger than your current balance. This strategy effectively turns your home's equity into liquid cash that you can use for renovations, high-interest debt, or new investments. Unlike a second mortgage or a HELOC, this process leaves you with just one single monthly payment at a brand new interest rate. Most lenders will allow you to borrow up to 80% of your home's total appraised value. During this specific type of transaction, you must carefully consider the new interest rate because if rates have risen since you first bought, your total monthly costs could increase. It is also important to remember that a cash-out refinance involves standard closing costs, just like your original home purchase did. This option is often the best choice for homeowners who want to lock in a fixed rate for a very large sum of money. By comparing the total cost of a refinance against a HELOC, you can ensure you are choosing the most cost-effective way to use your equity.